Hello friends, so today we'll make a calculator in the MIT app, and I should go to the my projects and start new project and calculator I made it. And now I should take two text box, one for another. Okay, text box 1 and text box 2, and in the text box 2 hint, please type number, please type first number. Okay, please type first number, and I should change this wild to fill parent, and also this. Okay, yeah, fill parent and fill parent. Oh sorry, here also please type second number. Okay, let's type second number. And now I should take from the layout option a horizontal arrangement, and the width of the horizontal arrangement I should fill parent this, and I should from the interface I should take 4 buttons. Sorry, and yeah. Okay, and in the button 1 I should rename this to plus plus. Okay, here rename it to minus min, and this rename to multiplication. Okay, a small short form, and this to division, div. Okay, and now in the plus option I should write in the text, I should write up one plus sign, a small plus sign. In the text box 2 means minus, here I should write one minus sign, and in the multiplication box I should write one x, means multiplication, and in the division box I should write one division, and front bold or give 30, 30, this two also 30. Okay, and this two also 30, and this two also 30. Okay, all the 4 are bits, and now one button, this button is to clear. Okay, sorry, clear, and also front bold this. Now we should go to the blocks view. Here I should initialize one variables name to what, let's type number. Okay, PLEACTYPE type NUMBER, and after please I should write 1. Okay, and now when plus click, what should do, a control if then else if, move to trash, text is empty, text box 1 text, text. Okay, in text box 1 text, what should do, set, I have not taken a label. Here I should take one label in this, in the label. Here I should also width fill parent. Okay, the front type no, the text alignment is center, and in the text box I should don't write anything, and front bold 30. Okay, 30, and also no, and also write just result, result. Okay, result. Now text color, background text, yeah, background text also to gray, yeah, such that result. And now go to blocks view, and in the blocks view is empty text box one text what set label one text, yeah, what you have taken has margins, please take, yeah, text to, yeah, get name, yeah, and from the if, yeah, from the settings option, oh, sorry, yeah, the setting options, else to, no, sorry, I should dismiss this, else if and else, okay, and now I should duplicate this, and if text box 2 also text is empty, set level 1 text to, oh, 2, yeah, please take number, and else duplicate this here, delete, set level 1 text to what, math, go to math, plus sign, so I should take one plus, yeah, plus, I should duplicate plus text box 1 to text box 2, okay, this is the, and now I should duplicate 4 into 4, okay, yeah, duplicate, and when plus, no, here multiply, when clicked, go to maths, and here multiply sign, click to drag it, and from the text box text, yeah, yeah, I should delete this block and go to this, it should multiply, now leave it, and plus, no, here, yeah, division, here, remove this, go to maths, and one division sign, yeah, here it is, division sign, a simple calculator, yeah, why I have initialized this variable, and because if I don't write anything in the text box, what will appear, doesn't think, and now minus, okay, the emulator here, I can see this type number thing it is, now go to, now what should I have to do here, one plus, yeah, plus, and now should be one minus, doesn't help, and remove this box, okay, and go to math, and I should drag the minus option and put this to that, oh sorry, no, yeah, this to this, and this to this, I should delete this block, okay, this is the designer view. And now go to emulator, here you can see, please type first number, just 1, as example 2, plus, yeah, 3, yeah, and minus 1 into 2, 2 ones 2, and division 0.5, okay, and also this number, no, sorry, 2, written and clear, oh sorry, I have not written the clear option, so to clear I have to make what, when button 1 is this clear button clicked, set text box 1, yeah, set text box 1, yeah, text 2, also duplicate, set also text box 2, text 2, what, text, yeah, null option, and duplicate this, and at first of the text box call request, okay, this is the clear command, And now go to emulator. Here I should clear this. Ooh, cleared. Oh, sorry, level 1. Level does not cleared. Sorry, anything I have to do. Set level 1 also text to, oh god, fix, so text to duplicate, also none. Okay, so now go to emulator, cleared, also are cleared. This 12 and 2 plus 2 what 14 minus 2 what 10 into 2 what 24 divided to what 6 2 6 and 12. Okay, and now cleared, not cleared, and type first number. So this is the calculator you can also make, and happiness also. So many different things have been in that is blocks view. Okay, the designer view. Okay, if you like my channel, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like it also. Thank you.